What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community on YouTube. On today's quick episode, we're just going to be covering Mr. Organik purchasing a Mercedes AMG GT. Reason I didn't cover this straight away was I wanted to hold off and to see what kind of what mods he'd planned for it, and to see what Ice Cream said and kind of what the facts about the car came out first, and just in my own head what questions I want to ask you, about what you think about what's going on with buying it and stuff like that. So guys, if you're new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, check out my other videos, smash the subscribe button. We're aiming for 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and hopefully we can get a project car as well. So they are the plans for the channel. So yeah, we'll just get on into this video. So what are my thoughts on it? I have a very big soft spot for the AMG GT, GTR, GTS, whichever one you want to say. I really do like the shape of them. I said if I ever had the money, they are good, I think, entry-level supercar to be buying. I do like the look of his one, but it does look like it might need a bit of work. It needs to be cleaned up. I know that matte black looks like it hasn't been put on right or something like that by the looks of it. But my question, guys, to you is, I guess he said he was getting a Ferrari within the year. That didn't happen. I always hope this year he doesn't start spouting out unrealistic goals again for the channel. I've said it before. Again, guys, I'm not hating on Organik. It's just, this is a discussion channel. It's me asking you questions, so there's no need to get riled up if you're an Organik supporter. But I always say that he has stuff there to make it a good channel, but he's kind of shot himself in the foot by buying the AMG GT. And Ice Cream did, point out a lot of stuff in his latest video about the car itself and the purchase price and how he's traded in his C7. But in my mind, what I was thinking was, even if he bought it for 81 or 82,995, whatever it was he bought it for, why didn't he get a C8? You could have got a 2020 C8 for that money, lesser mileage, and it would have been faster. And even at that money, you would have been getting 2017 AMG GTS. There's more horsepower. I think it's got 30 brake horsepower more, 35 or something like that. In my head, it just doesn't make sense. But as Ice Cream said, he's kind of I think he's jumped the gun on this one, and just it feels like, because of the way his C7 is, a lot of dealerships probably wouldn't take it on. He's probably asking too much for it. He's kind of panic bought here. I really do feel like he's gotten ripped off on this one, for what you can see out there, guys, because there's dealerships out there. Even if you check Auto Tempest, I just checked it and had a look. The lowest, there's a 2020 Corvette C8 going for 76,995. That was the lowest I could see. There's one going for nearly 80,000, and even the GTSs, I know they're 2016, but you're still getting a bit more horsepower off them. You're still going to get a fairly good GTS, even if it was a 2016. But it just, they're depreciating as well. It's not gonna, I can't see them appreciating anymore either. So I just think it was a bad move by him. It just doesn't, I don't know if it's going to help this channel. Now his subs have gone up, in fairness to him, but again, guys, it's just, I just don't think he just jumped the gun on it, because he really, I don't know what the story is with the paint on his C7. Is that somebody that we know if it's painted or if it's wrapped? If it's wrapped, he should have put that car back to stock, and he would have got more money for it if he sold it privately. Or why didn't he sell it to one of his subscribers and got straight up for it? Because he definitely got a bad in trade-in price, I'd say, for it with the dealership. So it was win-win for them. I just don't understand. I think it's because, look, nobody was going to take his C7 at the end of the day. He got stuck with it, and I think he's rushed into this and made a bad decision doing this. But look, you know, for a guy that's a millionaire, you know, and probably put yourself, maybe you put himself on the 20,000 finance, whatever extra it was. I don't know, but it makes no sense to me. He's gone backwards in this one. You know, and he should have went for the Corvette in my eyes. But, you know, I'd be surprised if we see a Ferrari at the end of this year, even in 2021. Hopefully he doesn't call out saying he's getting this car and getting that done again, because I don't know, guys. Just as I said, he could make his channel good. But then the other thing is, if he's supposed to be a car channel, like he's saying about mods. Now, his latest video was he wanted to get the lights that go underneath the for Mercedes, the Mercedes emblems that shine on the ground when you open the door, and he said the crowd he went to can't get them, and he wanted to get the illuminated one for the front grille as well. Now I don't know about like he says you can't get them there, like he's sticking about it, whatever, but you can just buy them on Amazon or anywhere like that and they only cost like $50 to $25 or so, thereabouts. At least fit them for the time being, unless he's getting the proper ones. Then, you know, that's up to him at the end of the day. But saying you can't get them, you can, you know, I don't know if it's up, again, as I said, it's up to him, but you can definitely get them. But the other thing as well is, you never hear him talk about engine mods. Like, is he looking at getting more power out of it? Because he said it's unbelievably fast. Like, the GT is fast, but again, compared to the supercars nowadays, I don't know, like, you know, and he's going to make it a Hellcat killer. Like, he hasn't talked about engine mods. Like, is he getting a downpipe, a tune? Is he going to upgrade, you know, a few internal engine parts? Go for bigger turbos, like, or is he just going to cosmetically modify the car? So, you know, like, I mean, and I don't feel like he's willing to learn about engine mods either, like, as in to work with a garage and learn more about upgrading bits and pieces and stuff like that, which he probably should do if he's going to be going away and buying these cars. But then again, if he's just business, that's up to him. But I just feel like if you want to make his channel a bit better, it's something he could probably do as well. So I don't know, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think of this move by Mr. Organik getting this AMG GT. Honestly, I think it's a step backwards, and I don't know. We'll just have to see how it plays out and how he modifies the cars, and I'll make a video on it when he starts modifying it as well. So thanks very much, guys. If you watched to the end, do subscribe. If you like this kind of stuff, smash the like button and do comment below. So until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.